Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is February 21st, 2025. That'll make it Friday. And I'm coming to you from International Global Galactic Headquarters in Guatemala. And I want to give you an invitation. I want to give you an invitation to learn more about the XDC Network. I want to give you an invitation to click in the links below and today take 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes to become familiar, not an expert, but become familiar with the XDC Network. The purpose of this video is not to tell you all that I know about the XDC Network, but I want to give you an invitation that you have to learn more about it. And I first invested in, well, actually it was Zinfin back in the day. And it was at their pre-sale. And I want to say it was like 2016 or 2017. And over the course of those years, I've gotten to know a little bit some of the leaders on the team, and they're the real deal, okay? The XDC Network has risen to the top of the RWA space. I'm so proud of all the hard work that they've done. But again, the point of this video is just to give you an invitation to learn more about the XDC Network, where to buy it, simple stuff like that. So in the description box below, you're going to see 3 links, 2 links to their 2 websites. And the 3rd link is going to be where you could purchase the XDC coin. So the rest is up to you. You need to do your own due diligence. You need to decide if that's something that you want to invest in. I can't make you do it. I can't even influence you to do it. But you have to do your own homework, and then you decide if the XDC Network is an investment that you want to make. So anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family. Check out the links below, and I think you're going to be surprised what you find out about the XDC Network. Love y'all. Bye-bye.